Okay, this is a quick video of the opening of my 16 gig iPad. Just got it from FedEx, just brought it in. Been tracking the shipment. Came all the way from Hong Kong. Go. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a number of openings, so there's no big deal about opening it, but I decided to make a quick video. Pretty nice box. And slide open. Go. $16 gig iPad, instructions and I guess all the booklets. And what I also did some extra stuff, I don't know why. The stand, I think it's $29. I think it was cost. I'm not for sure. Well, the first thing I'm going to do with the iPad is I'm going to jailbreak it. I'm one of those people that hate people to tell me what to do with my stuff when I pay all that money for it. So I definitely, first thing I'm going to do is jailbreak it. Have a charger. Have two. A pretty good deal on there. See what happens. There she goes, just lighting up. Have it go in there. Perfect. Okay. I also went to Amazon on Amazon and ordered some cases for it even before I actually knew it was on its way. And one of the cases I bought which I really wanted to see. Pretty nice case, I think. One of the main reasons that I got this case was because I like the fact that when the iPad fit in there, there's two elastics right here, perfect. It's pretty close to the edge. The good thing about this case, why I got it, was because of those little ridges right here where it, if you can see, it's really standing really good. You have different options of where to hold it on. And the good thing, unlike other cases, is the part, the back here that touch your table or your desk or whatever nasty surface you're on is not the side that goes up and cover your face. So that's one of the reasons that I really went for it. It's not the best. I got a good deal. I think I paid like $18. It's a good, nice handle back there. From the reviews that I saw, it's really, you can put your hand back to really hold it. It's really, you know, it's okay. For the price, I mean, you can ask for more than that. You know. I also try to start it, but it's not coming on. I guess charge it or something. But it's one of the cases. They also got this case here. In really nicely there, so it fits. One of those rubberized cases. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Pretty nice fit. And it's kind of slippery. I don't know how it will feel if your hands sweat but also with the head, we got this one. I got it just in case I didn't like this one, which I think I'm leaning towards more. Fits nicely in there. It's open up there quite a bit. But like I was saying, the first one I did, with the first case, this case, the side that's closed onto your surface of your iPad is also the side that goes on the surface that you're gonna put your iPad on, which might be dirty and might attract dust or whatever and bring it up to the surface of it. It sits pretty good there. It's a pretty nice fit. I have another review. I'm gonna jailbreak that right now. I might make a quick video on that also.